Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off sound and music in Plant vs. Zombie 2 on your mobile device. If you want to enjoy sounds and music-free experience on Plant vs. Zombie 2, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open up the Plant vs. Zombie 2 game on your smartphone and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're inside, go to the bottom right and look for the gear icon and tap on it. Once you open up the gear button, you will see the music and sound effects button under settings. Go ahead and slide it all the way towards the left. Once you do that, you will be able to turn off music and sound effects on the game. And now, your Plants vs. Zombie 2 game is totally silent. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.